Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a dropshipping store with Oberlo easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Shopify website and create your account. Choose a suitable plan that fits your needs. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Next, navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Visit Shopify App Store to find the Oberlo app. In the search bar, type Oberlo and press Enter. Select the Oberlo app from the search results and click on Add App. Follow the prompts to install Oberlo to your Shopify store. After installation, you'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard. Now, click on the Oberlo app to set it up. Create an Oberlo account if you don't have one already. Once your Oberlo account is created, connect it to your Shopify store. You'll be taken to the Oberlo dashboard, where you can start importing products. To find products, click on Find Products in the Oberlo app. Browse categories or use the search bar to find items that interest you. Once you find a product, click on the Import to Oberlo button. You can edit the product title, description, and images before importing. After customizing, click on Import to Store to add it to your Shopify shop. Next, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Products to find the items you just imported. Here, you can manage inventory, pricing, and descriptions for each product. Now, create a page for your store by navigating to Online Store and then Pages. Click on Add Page and input relevant information, like store policies. Next, customize your store theme by clicking on Online Store then Themes. Choose a theme that suits your brand and click on Customize. Within the Customizing section, modify colors, fonts, and layout to match your style. Remember to preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. After customizing, publish your store by going back to Online Store and clicking Preferences. Input your store's title, meta description. Congratulations, your dropshipping store is now ready to start selling with Oberlo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.